Hey Jay, this is Devin. As promised, I am going to record a video installing Ubuntu for, oops, there we go, 14.0.4. It should be the same version that you're running. I'm trying to duplicate the problem that you might be having. So what you see on the screen here is essentially as close as I can get to a real installation. It's using a network simulator called Eve in the background. As you can see, I have the fresh install of the Linux box right here. It's just a blank hard drive and the CD-ROM itself, and then it's attached to my internal network. So the whole idea here is just to replicate the install process. So if you did boot up from the CD-ROM correctly, it should look like this. And I got the download directly from the Ubuntu website. So let's go ahead and install Ubuntu. All right, this is the qualifications. I'm going to skip downloading updates, okay? I will go ahead and get the third-party software though. This will guarantee that I get drivers and things like MP3 support, as you can see right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue. All right, now when it comes to these options here, you should see an option that says erase disk and install Ubuntu. That's where we're going to get the freshest install. Don't worry about this stuff down here for right now, okay? It's a completely different topic. So let's go ahead and hit install now. All right, they're saying that there's no going back. That's fine. And what you're seeing there is that it's going to make a couple of different partitions. One is for the main operating system itself, and the other one was for like the swap, and that's the virtual memory. Okay, I'm in Phoenix, so I'll hit continue. Okay. All right, English sounds good. Too bad English wasn't an option. So this is the only login information you have to remember. So I'm going to say that my name is Jay. Oops. I'm just going to call this J. Oops. PC. Pick a username J, and the password, I'm just going to go ahead and do password. Yeah, it's weak, but that's okay. I can change it later. And I'm going to say go ahead and log in automatically. I hit continue. All right. And then we just kind of let it do its magic. So should not take that long. I'm going to hit pause right here just so there's not a big gap in the recording. So I will be back when I get the next prompt. All right, so here we go. I did not touch anything during that whole entire process, but I copied the files over, and it should have done everything the way it was supposed to. So let's cross our fingers and see what happens. Hit a little reboot there. All right, there it goes down. Let me scoot this back over here. Looks like it's unmounting the installation file. Oh, there we go. So I'm not going to touch anything here. And we'll see what happens. Nice little gray screen. Here we go. All right, so I came right back to the try Ubuntu. So there's a good chance that I have to go eject that CD. So let me go ahead and do the equivalent of ejecting that CD on the virtual machine. I'll be right back. All right, sorry about that, Jay. So I did the equivalent of ejecting the CD-ROM and turning it back on. I have to do that all through the command line. So that's why I went ahead and paused the video. So, but as you can see, I had selected the username J, the password temporarily, right? And I told it to automatically log me in. And I told it to do a fresh wipe. And as you can see, there's no prompt for any kind of login. Um, and I have a fully functional Ubuntu desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and share this video with you, of course. Go ahead and after you get done viewing it, shoot me an email and we'll see what's going to happen next. So just let me know what has been different between your installation and my installation, and we'll go from there. All right, my friend, I'll talk to you soon.